Chintamani. They are having Chintamani body.
Yeah, if you remember them, they remember you.
Yes.
Krishna says the same thing, Gita 4:11. Ye tamam prapadyante tam satai. You think of me, I think of you. You're busy? Okay, you're busy in Maya, I'm busy also. You're busy in Maya, I'm busy in Yoga Maya. Krishna, you have your Maya, I have my Maya. Radharani's my Maya. She's my Krishna Mai. Radharani is Krishna Mai. Yoga Maya, we want that Maya. We want the seva that Krishna Mai Radharani. This is, people don't know the value or power of the sadhus. It's bhagya also. I know devotees, they live in Vrindavan so many years. Very good devotees, very steady devotees, and very good devotees, genuine bhaktas. But they never met any sadhus. They never met any saintly people. They don't feel any need. They feel, okay, I'm fine. There's such fortune at the feet of the sadhus.